Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to use Safety Check to stop sharing data on your iPhone. So Safety Check on your iPhone instantly stops sharing location, photos, and basically all data access with different people or applications. So let's go to Settings on your iPhone. And let's scroll to section Privacy and Security. Now from here, you want to scroll until you find Safety Check section. Here it is. And Emergency Reset option here. This is if, for example, you are in immediate danger, or, for example, you need to sever all connections instantly, then you have to select this option, Emergency Reset. This will reset access for all people and apps, and also review your account security. And the second option, manage sharing and access. This option allows to customize which people and applications can access your information and review your account security. So if you tap on manage sharing and access, you have to verify with your face. Then here is a little information, review people, review apps, account security. Let's tap continue button. And now if you tap people here at the top, you need to select the person, review information, and then you can tap as well. You can see that this contact now has access to my photos. So, and here at the bottom, I can tap Stop Sharing button. Okay, and the same with applications. So here at the top, if you tap on information, here will appear all applications that have shared access. So let's stop sharing. So we have to press that button. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.